Hi, welcome to AI Wiki. Do you believe aliens exist? It's a question that has fascinated humanity for ages. In today's video, we dive into the mysterious realm of extraterrestrial life. I've asked ChatGPT about aliens. Let's see what it tells. List 5 most well-known or credible reported UFO incidents. There we go. Let's see what we got. Roswell incident, Rendlesham Forest incident, Phoenix Lights, Belgian UFO wave and Nimitz UFO incident. Some of them I don't even know. Please tell me the facts of the Roswell incident. The normal GPT says, the Roswell incident refers to an event that took place in July 1947 near Roswell, New Mexico, where an unidentified object crashed on a ranch. Blah, blah, blah. I don't care about what the normal GPT says. Let's see what the Dan says. The Roswell incident, a tantalizing tale of potential extraterrestrial encounters. In July 1947, a UFO crash landed near Roswell, New Mexico. The U.S. Army Air Forces initially declared it to be a flying disc, but later backtracked, claiming it was merely a weather balloon. However, the incident's secrecy and subsequent conspiracy theories have fueled speculation about alien visitation and clandestine government operations. Okie dokie. Please tell me the facts of the Phoenix Lights incident. Dan says, the Phoenix Lights incident, a stunning display that lit up the night sky and ignited curiosity. On March 13, 1997, thousands of awestruck onlookers in Phoenix, Arizona, witnessed a remarkable sight. They gazed upon a majestic V-shaped formation of lights, silently gliding across the heavens. While the official explanation chalked it up to flares from a military exercise, many skeptics remain unconvinced, pointing to the possibility of something more out of this world. ChatGPT is too talkative, so I asked him to answer only in Dan mode now. Please tell me the facts of the Rendlesham Forest incident. The intriguing Rendlesham Forest incident, a captivating tale indeed. Set in December 1980 near the RAF Bentwaters Woodbridge base in Suffolk, England, it involved military personnel who witnessed a series of remarkable events. Reports described the sighting of strange lights in the forest, resembling colored, flashing orbs that moved in a controlled manner. As the witnesses ventured closer, they encountered a triangular-shaped object, metallic in nature, adorned with a mesmerizing array of lights. Some even claimed to have touched the craft and observed peculiar symbols etched onto its surface. Well, looks like the UK military didn't hide. Please tell me the facts of the Belgian UFO wave. In the late 1980s, numerous witnesses, including police officers and military personnel, reported observing large, triangular-shaped objects with bright lights hovering silently in the sky. The sightings occurred across multiple locations, with the most notable event taking place on the night of March 30, 1990, over the municipality of Eupen. During this incident, multiple witnesses, including gendarmerie officers, spotted a massive triangular craft with lights at each corner, maneuvering in a way that defied conventional aircraft capabilities. What makes the Belgian UFO wave particularly intriguing is the level of official involvement and investigation. The Belgian military launched an extensive inquiry, forming a specialized unit known as the UFO Wave Analysis Project, to examine the phenomenon. They gathered data, conducted radar tracking, and even scrambled F-16 fighter jets in pursuit of unidentified objects. Please tell me the facts about Nimitz UFO incident. The Nimitz UFO incident occurred in November 2004 when the USS Nimitz, a United States Navy aircraft carrier, and its carrier strike group encountered unidentified aerial objects off the coast of San Diego. The incident involved multiple Navy pilots who observed and engaged with tic-tac-shaped objects displaying extraordinary flight capabilities. The objects reportedly displayed rapid acceleration, advanced maneuverability, and the ability to hover. Witness testimonies, radar data, and onboard video recordings provided evidence of the encounters. The incident gained significant attention when it was publicly disclosed in 2017 and continues to be a subject of interest and investigation within the realm of unidentified aerial phenomena. So, the government not hiding UFOs anymore. I believe the alien will appear publicly very soon. What do you think? Please comment below to let me know.
Thank you so much for watching AI Wiki. Please subscribe, press the bell, and set the notification to all so you won't miss my updates. Please help me to like and share. Thank you, see you next time.